40 days video.
Bakit 40 days?
Imperial Beach.
If ever I had a video, would you dance in it? Would you dance in it, in it? Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in.
Building. Ay, Boulevard.
Alin? Pupuntaan natin? Baka mali na naman yung mapa ko. Ano? Naligaw na naman ako? Hindi naman siguro.
We're there. We're almost there. 8 minutes away.
8 minutes away? Sa akin ka, 4 minutes na lang eh.
Well, if we go straight all the way, straight, we'll be there.
Dala-diretso sa beach.
Straight. It looks cold, doesn't it, huh? It looks cold today, guys. I am wearing shorts too, so I don't think this is good for me. Where are we now?
We're at the beach! Manang shouldn't just brought here basketball to play basketball.
We're finally here, and we finally found a parking spot.
After 900 days.
After 5 minutes.
And after 10 minutes. We were at the house. We were just at the house just now. Now we're already here. That was so fast. And by the way, don't mind my drippy. I'm so drippy. Look at his drip. Look at his drip. Look at my drip. See? I got the wine.
Where's your pants? I don't see your pants. Oh.
Gagala na naman kami. Siyempre day off ko eh. Pag day off ko, gagala kami. Di ba kain?
Smells like salt.
Uy! Let's go. Wala rito palang daanan.
Mama, that's not. I wanna. I'm gonna hold it.
Huh?
Wow. Hey, good time. Oh, the sound feels good. Like the
Napasok mo. Wala kang balak maglakad sa sand. Naglakad tayo sa sand. Sige, pag may tae ng aso yan, tignan mo, nilaro-laro mo pa. Kami ngayon sa Imperial Beach. First time din namin sa lugar na to. Pero may tanong lang, ang pangit ng tubig dito. Tingnan mo. Brown. Yung tubig dito, kulay brown.
It looks poo-poo.
Oh?
Look at it.
Parang ang dumi-dumi niya. Pero ang lamig. Pupunta pa kami sa dulo ron. Medyo malayo-layo pa yung lalakarin namin. Pero know, maganda to kang adventure na to sa amin. Nate, you should tell your lolo to go here.
No, I'm not saying that first.
Yeah?
Breeze here.
It's super priest.
Huh?
Super friends here.
What did you say?
It's super priest here.
Is super priest here?
Yeah, priest.
Your lolo can come over here, right?
No,
Fisherman D?
he's gonna priest.
He gonna priest?
Yeah, he's gonna priest. He's gonna priest.
He likes that.
He's gonna priest.
Yeah, Grandpa gonna like it
Because he
here.
likes nature. He's gonna priest because he likes super nature a lot.
Hindi yan tubig, Kyle. Iced tea.
That's
I-
cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
They,
Iced tea and iced tea.
the people say Playa Hermosa, but it's not a beautiful beach.
It is. It's a Let's look. Iced tea nga yan, iced tea.
Coke.
Oh, na ship.
Tingnan mo.
Oh, oh. Pag nahulog ka dito, wala na, finish na, oh.
Oh, look, Uncle Ship.
Nabalik na kami. Medyo malayo-layo na yung nalakad namin.
I wanna go to SeaWorld tomorrow.
Iwan siguro din kita.
사랑해서 널 좋아해서 그랬던 거라 난 생각했어 말하지 않아도 내 맘을 너는 알아줄 거라 생각했어